Hello, my friends. Some colleagues from machining groups asked me about some examples regarding the contour cycles, Siemens contour cycles. It's not so easy to explain contour cycles without voice. Then I have decided to produce this video. Everybody knows that English is not my mother language. Then in advance, I apologize for some errors, but I will try slowly to explain you this example regarding a couple of parts. No, then we will produce the contour in comparison to the G71 cycle. Okay, that's the idea, is to focus on the Sinumerik CNC features and advantages. Sinumerik is a totally friendly programming operation. No, then I will use the Sinutrain software. Everybody knows Sinutrain. It's free of charge. You can download at the cnc4u.com or cnc4u.com US. Here I have the demo machine created for such example. And let me come back here. That's the part. Okay. Then I will start from the face. Now it's a milling. It's a turning parts. Okay. Then let's start using the Sinutrain. Sinutrain is the system software, the Sinumerik operating system software running in your laptop. Okay, you can produce parts, tests, and export the program to your machine. Then I will start using the program manager menu. Okay, let's create a part program. Then I have here the new. I will use the shop turn, but you can have the advantage to use the contour cycle in G code, no problem. Okay, you can mix the program with G291, 290 to use the technological Siemens cycles also. No, then let me start. I will create the part. Okay. The first point is to define the parameters. No, you see here there is a mask. Then you define the part's dimensions. Okay. Let's come back to the part. Here I have a 60 diameter. I'm working in millimeters. Okay, and the another dimension in Z is 85. Okay, my 0 point is on the face. Let's come back here. Then G54, the work set. Here I need to insert the diameter 60 and the dimensions here. Let me come back again. 85 in total. Okay. Then here you can see the dimension include the campling. Okay, then I will consider 120 and here minus 87. Okay, here I have the retract point, the to change point. Everybody knows how to set. Then accept. Okay, then let's start drawing our contour. Okay, I will use contour turning. It's very important. Let me come back here. Sorry. New contour. Okay, let me come back. Contour turning, new contour. I need to define a name. to the contour, okay? And now let's start. Now it's not so difficult. We can read now the instructions here, the starting point, okay? And check on the drawing, the part drawing. I will start from the face, then my diameter is 0, Z0, X0, sorry, and Z0. Okay? Then 0, 0. There is no transition contour point. I started the program, okay? Let's come back to the contour. I have the initial point. Now, what I'm going to do, I will create the same circle, okay? Consider the radius 25. It means the diameter will be 50, okay? I will stop in this point to create the semicircle, okay? You need to pay attention. It's your sense is clockwise or unclockwise, okay? Let's come back here. Then I will select this segment that I will need, okay? The first parameter, direction, okay, clockwise or not, here, okay, radius 25, and the final points. Let's come back. The final point will be diameter 0, it means x0, and z minus what? The diameter 50, okay? Then x0, z minus 50, the diameter. Okay, I will not fill out this parameter yet, only to show you. Oh, sorry, I did a mistake about the direction. Oh, okay, I correct. That is good to know how to correct. It's very simple. And I accept, okay, the contour. Let's come back to the contour. Then let's check the part again. Here I have a transition. I have 5 the radius here, no? I would like to know how it's very simple, because the system software will calculate the tangential point for you. Okay, it's very simple. You need only to define radius or chamfer. We have a radius 5 here, okay? Accept. And now let's define the follow segment, this one, okay, because I need to define here, oh sorry, I need to define here this point. Then I have the diameter 60 and z minus 60, okay, very simple, the final points of the segment. Okay, z minus 60x 60. When I press accept, this system software will calculate according to your transition point, okay? Very, very simple. And let's come back again to the part. Here I have a chamfer, okay, 2 millimeters. Again, it's very, very simple. You need only to define the chamfer here, the transition point 2, okay. And now we need to finish the horizontal segmental in z direction. Negative, no, 85. Then I will select this one, Z minus 85. Okay, or you can see the chamfer here now. It's all set now. My part contour is here. Okay, I will accept, and now you need to pay attention here because we will need to define the technology cycle now. Okay, then we use stock removal. Okay, let me change to the graphic view. I need to select the tool. Let's start using this roughing. Okay, here I have the feed, I can increase or not, the spin, the rotation. Here I have the definition of the finishing or roughing. Okay, let's keep roughing. If you have doubts regarding such parameters, you can check the help button here. We will have all content in your language, It's very helpful. Okay, then now it's okay. I will accept, and let's test using the simulation processing. Okay, let me select 3D views. Oh, too fast. Let me come back to the program control. I will reduce the override feed. Okay, and let's see again. I'm not able to finish the part with such angle, such two. Then I need to come back to the program. Okay, call the stock removal cycle again. And now I will change the tool. Let's check one finishing. This one, it's on the list. Number 3 location. Oh, sorry. Let me come back, and now I can define last finishing. Very, very simple, And last, oh, you can see an error now. What's happened? Let's see. Oh, a crash. What it means? That my program header, my two change point in Z is very close to the part, Let me come back to show you again. I will setting the simulation. Let me. I will select the show the tool path. Okay, let me come back again to the simulation. You will see when you change the tool, the collision. Okay, the tool starts from up. Okay, now the second one came from this direction. What it means? I need to edit program header and give more space. I need to back off the tool. Okay, I will consider the same dimension, the X for Z. Okay, now let's simulation again. You see the tool is coming from another point. That's why I avoid the collision in this point. That's very important because it will happen a lot, especially for turning process. The software is done for that, but Okay, it's very simple. The focus here is to explore the research, the contour cycle. Then I hope that you could see how to, it's very fast and it's very simple to draw and to define the set parameterization. Then I really hope that the video will be helpful to you. And sorry, I apologize for the English language, but the idea here is to help colleagues. Okay, thank you so much.